Hi, John from Rapid Hot Water in Brisbane, here to talk to you a little bit about the importance of getting quality products and installations when you're purchasing and installing solar or heat pump hot water systems in Brisbane. A lot of problems that we've spoken about. First of all, people buying cheap product, imported generally, and not being able to get parts and warranty support down the track. This of course is exacerbated by a lot of these systems are sold by marketing companies through a commission salesman, and they use subcontract installers. But part of the problem why this is occurring, I believe, is the value proposition is blurred by rebates. So let's have a quick look at a illustration. We've got a quality unit, heat pump. You can buy that for $4,000 installed. Then you've got an imported model sold through a subcontractor, might cost you $3,000. So the quality story is a fairly easy one to tell there when it's a jump from $3,000 to $4,000. But then we bring out $1,800 worth of rebates. The $4,000 system becomes $2,200 and the $3,000 system becomes $1,200. So now your quality system looks like it's almost twice the price. And people go for the cheap unit. Unfortunately, this will often last less than 5 years. Then they'll have to put in a new unit. There'll be no rebates available, and they're going to spend somewhere between $4,000 and $5,000. So the cheap system is a very expensive purchase in the long run. Don't forget, these people that come to you offering cheap systems, advertising prices after the rebates, are spending your money. They're your rebates to spend. They're not a discount offered by the installer. So please, look at the total cost of the system, compare the value of the quality system over the cheaper system in the context of the total cost of supply and installation. Then think about how long the system's going to last and if you're going to get any after-sales service or warranty support. Thanks very much for listening. If you need more information, have a look at our website, rapidhot.com.au.